Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress homepage in just a few simple steps. By the end of this guide, your website will greet visitors with exactly the content you want. First, open your browser and head over to the WordPress website. In the top right corner, click Login. You'll see a few ways to access your account. For this tutorial, we'll use the Continue with Google option. Select the Google account linked to your WordPress account, and you'll be redirected to your site's dashboard. Once you're logged in, it's time to adjust your homepage settings. From the dashboard, navigate to Settings, then click on Reading. This section controls how your website appears to visitors, including what they see first when they arrive. Under Reading Settings, locate the option labeled Your Homepage Displays and select a static page. This tells WordPress you want a specific page to serve as your homepage instead of showing your latest posts. Next, choose your preferred page from the drop-down menu. Pick the one that best represents your site's core message or content. Take a moment to review all options. This is the page every visitor will see first, so choose wisely. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. Your homepage is now updated and your visitors will be greeted with the content you selected every time they visit your site. Changing your WordPress homepage is that simple, and doing it ensures your website truly reflects your vision. Take a few minutes today to customize it and make your site uniquely yours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to explore more WordPress tips and guides to keep your website looking and performing its best.